Hello dear students and welcome back. In today's video we'll learn about customizing the prompt and specifically this part right here. So like this part. We'll learn how to customize it and change it. By default, as you can see, we get Kali, the username, the host name, and then we get the directory by which you are in, right? So how can we modify that? Previously, I talked about the environment variables, and this can be accessed through an environment variable called prompt, right? If I echo that, we can see we get this string. So if we can modify this string, we can change how this acts, all right? And I will not go into depth on how you can do such a large string out of the scope for this video. It's not a very important thing for ethical hacking, but it's a good thing to be aware of and how you can deal with that. So let me show you how we can change that. So I will say prompt, all right, equals, and inside here I will type anything. So for example, my name, all right. Now, as you can see, it displays my name. So I can type command like print working directory. I get the output and then I get my name instead of this output. So let's change that and maybe get something like I want inside brackets my name. So here I will type my name, all right, and have a space. So make this more convenient to work with like this, all right. Now we can easily work with this rather than this. Let's clear everything. And by the way, if we close this and open this, you can see change is not persistent. So it works only in the session you are in, all right. So we can modify that, but make this more permanent. But let me show you something else here. So you can see here we have a $sign when you are logged in as a normal user, and if you log in as a super user, all right, you will see it changes to this sharp sign, all right. So how we can do that? Let me show you. Let's do prompt equals anything you want, but at the end add backward slash and then the $sign. Now you can see you get this $sign. Now if I change to sudo, now you can see it changes, all right. And now if I type anything, as you can see, it will keep changed, and if I exit, it gets back to normal, all right. And the reason that is this is different, so for the super user it's different from the normal user, because the super user now have its own session, and this session have its own environment variables, and for this user, the root user, the prompt is the prompt value is not changed. Let me prove it to you. So go back here and then echo prompt. Now you can see he have the root here have his own string, all right. So now just exit and actually exit. If you come to the home directory and go to view hidden files, and from here you will find this ZSHRC. Open that and come down here to the end, and here you can type directly export prompt equals anything you want. So maybe the exact same thing, my name, and then this $sign. All right. And I think this is enough. Save it. Now, if I open the terminal, I should see the effect immediately, as you can see here. And I am getting this here because I made a mistake here. So let me fix that. Add just a space. Open that. And now we can see it works. And it's persistent. But I will delete that. I don't want that. Actually, the way Linux does this by default is pretty powerful and awesome. So I don't want that. Just keep it as it is. Now, a quick tip here, always keep a backup of the original file. So we will deal with this file a lot. So at some point we can make mistakes. So I will name this dot back. Just this is a backup file. Anything goes wrong with this, we can always have this at hand, restoring everything to normal.